This simple mechanism can lift cars, tighten bolts, and prevent reverse motion instantly. Today, we were designing it from scratch in SolidWorks. Let's start with Ratchet. Select a plane and draw 100 mm circle. Extrude in mid-plane up to 10. Now select a surface and draw the sketch as shown. Extrude, cut it, and circular pattern it for 12 teeth. Select a surface to extrude 10 dia up to 20 mm. Again, select the surface and draw a circle as shown. Now circular pattern the circle 5 times. That's all. Ratchet is completed. Let's start Pawl. Select the plane and draw the sketch as shown. Extrude up to 5 mm. Now select the surface and sketch a circle of dia 5. Extrude up to 10 mm. Pawl is completed. Let's start Ratchet base. Select a plane and draw the sketch as shown. Extrude up to 10 mm in mid-plane. Use fillet 10 mm for all edges. Ratchet base is completed. Now let's start assembly. Fix ratchet base first. Now assemble ratchet on ratchet base. Next, assemble Pawl. Now adjust the mechanism as shown. Let's attach motor to ratchet to create mechanism. Now add gravity. Add contact for ratchet and Pawl. Now play it in basic motion. Congratulations, we have done the ratchet mechanism. Subscribe Met Concepts for more content.